Hello everybody. I wanted to show you a different way of repairing your engine brake and kill switch. If you guys work on mowers, or if you're a homeowner and you go out and you try to start your mower and you hold down the cable, the engine brake cable, and it pops off, and because it's been out in the rain and it's rusted, then you've got a problem. It's not going to ever work right. And what happens is this cable, which looks like that. I've got a ton of these, as you can tell, and these have all been rusted, and I take them off and have to repair them in some way. To do it inexpensively, you want to save these parts, and what you want to save on them are these little ends right here, like that one, that one, that one, etc. And then the good part of the cable is not rusted. You want to save that, so cut that and save that, because what you can use off of those parts is to repair this. The only thing that's not included here is this little spring, which is weaker than the standard one. Hopefully you've got some of these laying around, or you can find one at the hardware store for $1. And then just a screw and a washer to attach the cable to some old pull cord or a piece of string that you have. So what you're doing is you've got the cable end, which you have saved, because this unscrews. You can just get some pliers and unscrew that, okay? And then you clip this and remove that. And this, you'll use this piece and you'll use this piece, because that's what that is. And then this piece goes up to right here where you've cut it off. Then you tie some cable or pull cord to that, make a loop so you can pull that, and put your weak spring on here. And this is gonna work now. That will shut your mower off. And so then you connect it all up here, tie it to where the old cable used to attach, and now you can pull that down. It's effortless. And so you get ready to start your mower, hold that down like you always do and pull the cord, and when you let go, it'll shut off. So that's how you do that. Just save your old parts and get your little spring, and you should be able to make you one almost out of nothing.